Hello. Welcome back to Ellie English Hub. I'm Ellie, and today we have a very exciting episode.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. So happy you're here with us today.
Leo, tell me honestly, do you like shopping?
It depends. I love food shopping. Supermarkets, bakeries, markets, yes. But clothes shopping? Not really my favorite.
Ha! I love clothes shopping, but today we are talking about all kinds of shopping. In English, and this is so important for real life.
Yes, imagine you are traveling. You walk into a shop. The assistant says, "Can I help you?" And then you need to know what to say. After today, you will know exactly what to say.
Today you will learn how to ask for things, how to ask about prices, how to understand the answer, and how to pay, all in real English conversations.
And we also have a special word tour at the end with the most important shopping phrases, so stay until the end.
If you are new here, welcome to the family. We always speak slowly and clearly because your comfort is number one. Press subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, ready? Let's go shopping.
Okay, our first scene. Leo, you are a customer. I am the shop assistant. You walk into a bakery. A bakery is a shop that sells bread, cakes, and pastries.
Bakery, a shop where you can buy bread, cakes, croissants, and other baked food.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. Can I have 2 croissants? This is how you ask for something in a shop. Very polite and very natural. Example, can I have a coffee? / can I have this bag?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like 1 chocolate muffin, please. I'd like equals I would like, a polite way to ask for something, more formal than can I have. Both are correct.
Great choice. So, 2 croissants and 1 chocolate muffin. That's £4.50, please.
Sorry, how much is it again? How much is it? You ask this when you want to know the price. Also, how much does it cost? Same meaning.
£4.50.
Here you go. You say this when you give something to someone. Money, a product, a card. Very common in shops.
Thank you. Here's your change. 50 pence. Have a lovely day. Change. The money you get back when you pay more than the price. If something costs £4.50 and you pay £5, your change is 50 pence.
Thank you, bye.
Perfect. Did you hear all the key phrases? Let's say them together slowly.
Can I have 2 croissants? How much is it? Here you go. Here's your change. Say them out loud with us. Don't be shy. Okay, scene 2. Now I am the shop assistant. Ellie, you are shopping for clothes. You see a beautiful jacket.
Ooh, yes. I love this game. Okay, excuse me.
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
How much is this jacket? How much is this? When you point to a specific item, say, how much is this jacket / bag / shirt? This means the one right in front of you.
That one is £79 and 99 pence.
Oh, that's quite expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? That's quite expensive / cheaper. Expensive equals costs a lot of money. Cheap equals doesn't cost much. Cheaper equals less expensive. These are very useful words when shopping.
Yes, we have this one over here. It's £45.
Oh, that's better. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? You say this in a clothes shop when you want to wear the item to see if it fits. The fitting room is where you try clothes on.
Of course, the fitting rooms are over there on the left.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it. I'll take it. You say this when you decide to buy something. Short, natural, and very common. I'll take it equals I want to buy this.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay by card or cash? Pay by card or cash? In British and American shops, this is the most common question at checkout. Card equals credit or debit card. Cash equals coins and notes.
By card, please.
Perfect. Please tap your card here. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Enjoy your new jacket.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Now, your turn. Pause the video and say, "Excuse me, how much is this? Can I try it on? I'll take it. By card, please." Say it out loud. You're doing amazing.
Okay, one more scene. The supermarket. This is maybe the most common shopping situation in real life. Leo, let's both be customers today. We are shopping together.
Oh, I like this. We're a team. Okay, I can't find the pasta. Let me ask someone. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Where can I find? Use this when you can't find a product in a big shop. Where can I find the milk/bread/pasta? Very useful.
Of course. Pasta is in aisle 5 on the right.
Thank you so much. Ellie, look, this pasta is on sale. On sale. In British English, on sale means the price is lower than usual. There is a discount. 50% off means you pay half the price.
Oh, great. Put 2 in the basket. Now let's go to the checkout. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you have a loyalty card? Loyalty card. A card you get from a shop. Every time you shop, you collect points. You can use the points for discounts later. Very common in UK supermarkets.
Yes, I do. Here you go.
Thank you. Your total is £23 and 40 pence.
Could I get a bag for life, please? Bag for life. A reusable shopping bag. You buy it once and use it many times. In the UK, single-use plastic bags now cost money. So many people use these.
Of course, that's 30 pence extra. So £23 and 70 pence total. Card or cash?
Cart, please. Thank you. Bye.
Right? And that was 3 full shopping conversations. You heard so many real phrases. Let's review them all now.
Word tour time. I say a phrase. Leo gives an example. You repeat. Ready?
Always. Let's go.
Can I have?
Can I have a large coffee, please? I use this every morning at the cafe.
How much is it?
How much is it? The most important shopping question. Learn it, love it, use it.
That's quite expensive.
That's quite expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Perfect sentence for markets and vintage shops.
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on? You say this in any clothes shop anywhere in the world where English is spoken.
I'll take it.
I'll take it. Short, confident, natural. You sound like a native speaker when you say this.
Where can I find?
Where can I find the milk? Use this in any big supermarket. The staff will always help you.
Now, go to the comments. Write any of these phrases in a sentence, or write a shopping situation you want to know how to handle in English. We will read every comment and reply. And remember, the next time you travel or speak English in a shop, you won't panic. You will think, I know what to say. I learned this at Ellie English Hub.
If this lesson helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with one friend who is also learning English. You help us reach more learners around the world.
I'm so proud of you for practicing today. Every lesson makes you a little bit better. Keep going. This is Ellie.
And this is Leo.
And you've been listening to Ellie English Hub. See you in the next lesson.